Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Revision Part 7. This video will present some revision exercises on measurement. First question, put a tick under the taller building. Second question, put a tick under the shorter tree. Now there are 3 slides with some brief questions and the answers will be at the end. So you can pause the video at any time to answer the questions, and then you can check your answers because they are on the last 3 slides. This is the second slide with questions. Number the following objects from 1 to 4, where object 1 will hold the least amount of liquid and object 4 will hold the most. Next question, for each of the following pairs of pictures, tick the one which is heavier. And the final slide with questions. For each of the following pictures, tick the one which has the larger area, either the tennis court or the snooker table. The next choice, the envelope or the whiteboard. And the third choice, the stamp or the A4 sheet. So it's up to you whether you pause the video now and go back to the beginning, but I will now move on to the answers. Here we go. These are the answers for the first slide. These are the answers for the second slide. And here are the answers for the third slide. I hope you enjoyed that brief revision there, and we'll have some more revision each time we introduce some new lessons.